Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.